Now, there's been a deadly train mishap, a tragedy in Bengal's Siliguri. Early this morning, a goods train rammed into the Kanchenjunga Expressway, killing at least 5 passengers and 3 staffers. The Kanchenjunga Express was travelling from Silchar in Assam to Sialda in Kolkata when a goods train hit it from behind. This happened near the Rangapani station. Now, coaches were seen up in the air after the express train was hit by the goods train. At least 25 to 30 people have been injured. And rescue operations continue there to ensure that normalcy returns on those and normal operations can resume on those train tracks. The officials have confirmed at this point that preliminary information suggests that there was a signal overshoot by a driver, which means that it was in all likelihood human error that led to this deadly accident. Railway Minister Ashwini Vaishnav and Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee expressed concern over the accident, stating that all necessary help is being rushed to the spot. Both Mamata Banerjee and Minister Vaishnav are expected at the spot today.
जब घटना घटा तब आप कहाँ थे? ट्रेन के अंदर?
मैं ट्रेन के अंदर था।
तो क्या आवाज कैसा आया आपको?
आवाज मतलब मेरा तो B1 कोच था, बहुत जोर से मतलब झटका दिया है। तो जैसे झटका दिया तो सब ऐसे बोल रहा था कि एक्सीडेंट हो गया, हम भी चिल्ला रहा था, सब रो रहा था। फिर हम तुरंत बाहर आके देखा कि यहाँ पीछे से एक्सीडेंट हुआ है ट्रेन का।
अच्छा, तो अभी क्या है, कितने लोगों की मौत हुई है? कुछ आपने देखा है कुछ, या आपके बोगी में कितने लोग इंजर्ड हुए?
मेरा बोगी में तो मैं एक इंजर्ड हुआ, मेरे सिर में लगा है, बाद बाकी किसी का नहीं हुआ है। ऐसा तो पीछे से देख रहा था 2-3 आदमी आपका क्या डेथ हुआ है, हमें यही देखा है।
We are currently standing just at the accident site where this Kolkata bound down Kanchenjunga Express met an accident with a goods train. We are given to understand this particular goods train collided with this particular Kolkata bound Kanchenjunga Express from the rear side. We can see these are the visuals of damages. Some of the coaches of this ill-fated train went up in the air, and we can see how havoc. We can completely understand and clearly understand that how this massive accident occurred when a goods train with a high-speeded goods train collided with this particular, passenger train from behind, which is why possibly it's caused a huge damage to both the trains. We can see that several coaches of this Kanchenjunga Express have been derailed, and several other coaches of this goods trains damaged due to this accident. Several lost their lives and several are still fighting with death at hospitals. We can see that NDRF team and SDRF team have been brought in over here. A team of BSF Jawans have also pushed in. We are given to understand that Railway Minister Ashwini Vaishnav will visit the site sometime between this afternoon, and also Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee has already headed to North Bengal. We can see that the debris of those coaches in this also in which several passengers were on board. We can see that this accident caused havoc in North Bengal. With camera person Argo Ghosh, this is Viktik for India Today.
Kanchenjunga Express, which was coming from Agartala in Tripura towards Sialda, met a fatal accident in and around New Jalpaiguri, almost 10 to 15 kilometers away from the New Jalpaiguri station in northern part of West Bengal. 8 casualties have been reported, 20 to 25 people have been injured. They have been taken to a local hospital over there. But the biggest development that has happened over here is that 13174, that's the number of the train, that's the number of the train that has left from the accident spot at 12:40, and it is coming to Sialda with the passengers who are not injured. Helpline numbers have been issued over here. So there are 2 desks, this one by the administration of the railways and the other one is by the police, which is constantly doing the rounds. People are coming, people are inquiring. Ex-gratia amounts have been given out by the state government of Tripura, the railways and the Prime Minister's office as well. The train has left from the accident spot at 12:40, and sometime around 8 to 9, that is what is expected, that with the passengers who are not injured, they will be coming over here at Sialda station. With camera person Tapas Bahri, this is Suryagni Roy for India Today, Sialda station.
ये ट्रेन अगरतला से सियालदा के लिए जा रही थी और इसका पीछे से एक्सीडेंट हुआ है, कोलिजन हुआ है एक गुड्स ट्रेन के द्वारा। प्रारंभिक इंफॉर्मेशन के हिसाब से ऐसा लग रहा है कि गुड्स ट्रेन के ड्राइवर ने सिग्नल को डिसरिगार्ड किया है और रियर एंड से कंचनजंगा को हिट किया है।
जो भी घटना घटी है बहुत ही अप्रिय घटना है और आप सब देख रहे हैं साइट पे किस तेजी के साथ प्रशासन और रेलवे की टीम एनडीआरएफ एसडीआरएफ काम कर रही है। कंचन कन्या यहाँ से अपनी नॉर्मल से कम स्पीड पे जा रही थी और पीछे से जो है मालगाड़ी आकर के पीछे से उसको टक्कर मारी है और दो पार्सल जो है पीछे के डब्बे और गार्ड का जो रूम होता है वो काफी डैमेज है। जो भी लापरवाही है नहीं है इसकी जांच होगी और जांच करके जो उचित कदम होगा वो रेलवे मिनिस्टर उसको उचित कदम उठाएगी।
सर, जो ट्रेन वहां से छूटी है जिसके साथ इम्पैक्ट हुआ था वो कब तक शियालदा पहुंचेगी?
8 साढ़े 8 तक उम्मीद रखते हैं।
कहीं पे हॉल्ट मारेगी?
जहाँ जहाँ स्टॉपेज है
जहाँ स्टॉपेज है वहाँ पर रुकेगी। और कैजुअलिटीज अभी भी 8 है या फिर?
मेरे हिसाब से तो मेरे को जो खबर मिला उतना वही है ही क्या।
और इंजरी लिस्ट? कुछ
इंजरी लिस्ट अभी तक नहीं मिला।
Now, there's been a massive political showdown also with the Bengal train tragedy, with the opposition uniting to take on the Modi government and Railway Minister Ashwini Vaishnav. The India bloc has questioned Ashwini Vaishnav, demanding his resignation over these kind of tragedies taking place. Congress, led by Mallikarjun Kharge and Rahul Gandhi, slammed the Modi government, claiming that there's been utter mismanagement of the railway ministry in the last 10 years. From Congress to TMC to the Uddhav Sena, the RJD, each one of these opposition parties has been questioning Vaishnav's silence and saying that they're waiting for him to take responsibility for this crash.
लगातार एक के बाद एक ऐसे हृदय विदारक हादसों की एक लिस्ट बन गई है। कोरमंडल एक्सप्रेस उसमें थोड़े वक्त पहले ही हुआ था, लेकिन कोई पाठ सीखा हो सरकार ने, विभाग ने, मंत्री ने या मंत्रालय ने, वो देखने को नहीं मिलता। वही गैर जिम्मेदाराना बातें, वही गैर जिम्मेदाराना हरकतें। अब वहां जा रहे हैं मंत्री तो उसकी रील बनाएंगे और उसमें वाहवाही बटोरेंगे। अरे साहब, हम उस पार्टी से हैं जहां के मंत्री इस्तीफा दे देते थे जब रेल दुर्घटना होती थी।
ये तो मानवीय भूल हुई। ये तो पूरा सीधे जिम्मेदार है रेल विभाग, रेल का महकमा। 2 ट्रेनें लड़ गई। इसके पहले उड़ीसा में भी तो यही कुछ हुआ था। यानी कि ये रेल मंत्रालय बढ़े हुए बोझ को संभाल नहीं पा रहा है। रेल मंत्री जी, नैतिकता के नाते इस्तीफा दो।
Ritik Mondal is joining us live with more details on this. Ritik, politics playing out, particularly the Trinamool Congress constantly raising the issue of what's happened, this particular tragedy, and seeking accountability. If you're at the spot, take it away. Show us what's happening there, Ritik.
Well, Jafar, let me show you where this accident happened. We are currently live from the exact crash point. We can see that NDRF team is moving back the media persons over here. We are currently live at this particular spot. You can see that particular coaches which suffered damages are being taken down from the air. We can see that this is the exact crash site this morning around 9ish. This goods train collided with Kolkata bound, Shialda bound, down, Kanchenjunga Express, and from beside we can see these are the coaches which suffered damages. As Shuragni was telling our viewers, that the rest of the train has been moved towards Kolkata. We can see now rescue operations are underway. Teams of NDRF, SDRF and team of doctors, they have been rushed to the spot. We are given to understand that Rail Minister Ashwini Vaishnav will be reached at the spot any moment from now. He has already left from the Bagdogra Yapol, and we can see that now the debris of these coaches are being taken down from the air. Now what the primary sources suggested, or the primary investigation suggested, that this particular Kolkata bound train was standing on the down track, and this another train, another goods train which was coming from behind, had hit the express train from behind, causing several loss of lives and left several other injuries. We can see that the top officials of Railway Authority have been summoned over here, and they are inquiring the matter of what could be the cause behind this accident. But we can see with our live viewers showing to our viewers how this accident was havoc, how this mammoth accident took place. And questions are being raised that why this two train came on the same track. Remember, this particular train, this Kolkata bound down Kanchenjunga Express, which run between Kolkata and North Bengal on daily basis, and it is just had set up this morning at around 8:30, and it has just came across to this Rangapani station where this accident took place. We can see now the JCBs are being pushed back, as we believe that any moment from now this particular debris, which is
we're going to keep coming across to you for all of those updates. Ritik on Ground Zero, getting us the latest updates right now. And there is Ashwini Vaishnav, the Railway Minister, making his way as we speak to the accident site. He is going to be tracking the latest as far as rescue efforts are concerned. They're still working, as Ritik just showed us the train tracks. All the injured have been moved out, given the necessary medical help. They are in a local hospital. But this is the Railway Minister, Mr. Vaishnav, who this morning headed from Delhi to, in fact, the location. Now, as he's touched down at the Bagdogra airport, he's now making his way to the location.
एक बार थोड़ा सा दे देते। हाँ। एक मिनट। नहीं, लोकेशन पे एक है।
Okay, these are live images of the Railway Minister, Ashwini Vaishnav, getting set to leave from the spot and head towards the accident site to take stock of the situation personally on what happened and what led to this mishap. We'll track the latest images as they come in.